Well, yasa by the money na say utimini edin komo Bribia Damika say we appreciate you so much. Mamenka Odenti Maria Ghana ni continue to exhibit those qualities, transparency, truthfulness, honesty, patriotism, love for your country. Bribia Dameji break because it's very relevant. We are in Tierra Boame. So help me God. It's so important. That makes you a proud Ghanaian, not just a Ghanaian. A proud Ghanaian. Bribia Dano, who exhibited these qualities, Adia Nyaodia, Adia Nimguasia, bro, my Ghana, Ochun, Namenkai, Minuanum Swam War, Funyanano, made Damwasi under the able leadership of George Boachi, any House of Chief President, Yamfu Mahini, and then Nanamunina from Achinsra to Kenya, 1 and 2, to Atronye, to Techre, to Adroba. To almost everywhere, Mem Sankore, Goso, Capital. We appreciate you. Adia Bakwame Semune say, the yen kunim the yen munyamshe, and no Anna Afu, Adeshe, Mumian Famra Afu. And don't forget, the homecoming a year festival, 3-day event, yeah, they bro. Na bread they bro December 30th, 31st, and January 1st. They bro Afu. Ahafu, a year homecoming festival. Yada a year era Agama CEO Bechem United, Edanasi, era Dr. Kingsley, King's Cottage. Sanshona Yada Nana Baswa, also on the name, a Council of State, Ahafu, Ujnaya name one, and all our members of parliament from Yamami Frida Prempe, Dr. Benjamin, Honorable Bano, Deputy Minister of Sports, Bobie. Alaji Collins Dauda and Era Eric Opoku. We are so proud of Munina. Yeah, December for Timejan and Nasu Yepa. It's good to be here for 2 reasons. My personality is almost here for 2 reasons because I've been their campaign coordinators over years. Both Nimnyam for Obiamwa and Nimnyam for Baba Jamal. You are wondering how I coordinate their campaigns for them. Every year, consultancy service. No? You put in a strategy for quite overfast our clients, but made in Kunimon Peso or more. They have coordinated these 2 big men in Ghana for almost 10, 12, 16 years. And it would the children and to Boma Park. It's not easy to manage the situation. I'm proud. Number 2. I pack home command, dear. No. In fact, so privileged this morning because it's going to be purely academic exercise. Naya Tias here because she anshas here and Ghana from that point of angle. The right. The feeling the bar, Now that I told all Ghanaians and politicians especially on ecosystem said, Oshe from 1992, Abribia, the Nobel opposition, or Cassetia Electoral Commission. Maybe area for Jan or Fan Hudi Kakra, but from Charlotte, Bepimen Nano Pay Cassedia, Ubian Fanundi. Abembia or Abembia Cassa, some way, somehow, I want Emma Electoral Commission. But no crap pass when they say, ye won't call for so that's why they speak to the issues relating to our elections. Tidano Mekache, chairman of NDC, said the stakes are not high because a requirement that every 4 years in Ghana betwaba yena ye ma yem shishi ne ifnu na ye hoke kan sema kese ma stakes some way somehow a bigger detention avoidable eba. Tibadaroma we are going to be the judges this morning after this educative exercise on IPAC and other matters in the country. Fortunately, only now I are being for our mrem, how many be this and come and pay. Timidasi, so what joining? Machi, Makwa was. Chief watch Papa. Yes.
They said you have been you. They say clients not also.
Clients
not big ones. Relegated.
Oh wow, David. Where you come from? You know, where you are sada.
You. I want to bomb up.
Good. Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, yeah, me some of what inside. In
that is
that when what bre papa.
Yeah. First guy almost you stood in there.
And that's a Ghanaian company. Yes. So happy with that. Oh wow.
Hold on, your team yes. And you consultants in Anyakwa.
Yeah, that's
so two bomb no.
As Colombo, the two men were for hey, catchy. Oh, Casso. Here, Baba, I come so. Yeah, come on. That's a party. You must watch your time, pal. Yes. The party. Oh wow. Yeah. So, Mr.
Ba road asen. Yeah. On the interior, you must be seen a quans.
Yes.
I'm say media disredia be Emma a penny
of our central region. No, because
we be Ubia so on Timia.
Oh, be a cheated at the Becca.
Say, the panicho. On say you Iowa soup baku 4.
Okay.
You Iowa so West Gogon.
Okay.
Capitani Legon.
Okay.
And you Iowa so Central. Capitani Newtown.
Okay.
And you Iowa so North. Capitani Mamobi.
Okay.
And you Iowa so East. Capitani Nima.
Okay.
All these 4 Iowa so no. Aye Nima Iowa so Eastern Kwana Yenhu asphalt.
Nima
Kwan we can die and no the omo yen the only a high area because of the Jubilee House no. Me say uba Nima the whole of Nima omo one asphalt.
Wow.
Meanwhile Nima is a central part of Accra. To wait the media this said ma amakwata se mesre no me wo for pa no de bi ohumi nso na na ekohia ohu oba o se na adenta wo fa zap to na on frame ye na mse we de mesre no
na wo fa bet ma fe na
wo fa e busy wo fra Where you are
doesn't say interest but all Nima say.
Oh, but no, let me take this opportunity as a campaign coordinator for him. No,
we are watching the space. We are watching the space. To make sense, when you own Jimmy. Nima in particular, ever Nima, Kwa Kosi Gotanano, Eko Ruga Mesreno, Omomodiana, Omva Aspat, Emra. Emri be meeting some Mubisu.
Colobino, who's on our
Macon, what family I be in Timmy Frenaminano. And wait there, catcher no mammy, so Mesreno, Nima, yes, you hear Aspat Kakra. Nima, we are there, Nima is central part, will be a baby, one of Beba. Oh, the way they said they made the numbers na who of our catcher of say I am a friend so ya
okay, that's it. We are back. Patrol Brass Association Komo ehun here because it's part of the process I dey call 2024 nti yaso leti ebedi UK in Komo say the pound is here but nyene ti na dey pese fe Ghana yen Komo no honorable biamo maya abakosem efa IPAC Botaya modetiye emremu no nyina so ewo ho ne mfaso dia over time IPAC jabre any what has changed ewo IPAC chichi
that's pa ni di kamitia o mo hwe ni etiefo nyina wadaruma se betania kasa whole country obia tie to ba be wie no be frɛ free bia boga ana boko unse me yera service boko still me rules ho one obi afre say teacher or the teacher kasa wa Adom say ampa na so me kan na so eto asumpa IPAC ya de aboa ewo ya bakosem ne abato mu pa Inter-Party Advisory Committee. Yes, Electoral Commission do mre bi no area for Adjei. Nyina agitu mu say parties yemra na normal hia kese omo pese omo ye abato mu. On dey atu anim. Omo age futu afiri ho. Bi okra omo ati sub committees no mo dey aka ho. Na ya dwenwie no ma ho. Nti ansa na beba abontin say ne pese ye no. Na parties so yen ya kire adwen. Eduba bi a hia ewura faja maka je say mo advice say ha de befa ha de ntumi fa. Ye fa ha problem be nyani. Nti that's say mabeboa. T2 committees so ya legal committee parties ABIC don kuma no ya munyina mummu na momfa mielumra dom kase nso fa ba ko beka ho na 3 member committee ne so isi ya bi beka ho na ya civil society so dibiaba na monhwe no mamuman na momfa report mra ni hu kwan nyina befa so a ya de be ya adwuma ya pack de Nyamia da Roma, you are Jacob Bechibi, love time. Party cars, I mean, they be a few hundred be a meco. Because, near Cosono, a TB and search a dream. No more dear, in Huniaka. Sada party seen they say parties I be brave, they say bear 24 cra. Now, I could be. Unfortunately, no. Oma special parties akese no this stage bi any electoral commission na say no man koyi ni no na kan adwen no mo se nye sa na epe no enye dem honko na pia bontin na afi mo so de ubofo mo so ma agi asum na afi de na tintan ba me mani fi a me ko apak there ye as a party ye take decision that say Electoral Commission amone kwa ya mpere so a meeting ye ma. Ma me shout to say Dr. Afrejan edupe wara ene ne boss pa. Me so me nipa pa no. So share mo years na say o ma ba no me chiro be ya to be binya or consultancy or electoral matters so wo fa beba. Ene me ba bi o won so. Na me shout to say na me ni pa. Edute bia ne aboss. The boss wa ye kwa park meeting o so still ni my aka na am so ye ni munya aka ba se mi ho a e be kam say ni akọ ha kakra na say ye ko I park meeting all right but you know omumma
e free breben
free say to abawie ye menim asọm nko kan menim se no mpese mo fa no enso omumma I park di du stage bi a se bi no mu kasakra na mo pese mo kasatia o ma mse montombo
ko omuni ho
number 1 number 2 se mra be hihie be ba parliament dia o akoto mo parliament itu be hwe ministers ni bibia se ne nyina e gbobo no e kawo baro mo mani nti se ekeka nsem wie na ba abonten a na kwesa so wa kan ye nka ho
mo na makokeka
ma so enka dia enso ne ye pe ne beka na ne hakakra ne se ebia omuni electoral commission nya adwen omaka so asem ho omoka no mo de MPP abefra mo pese mo wie ma MPP nti na mo yesa ehono na omo ya ase omaka kakra ehono
de ombedi nkomo bia no
so mo do electoral commission nya adwen bibi so a
mo pese mo wie mo ma MPP
on MPP nti na mo se mo yesa ye electoral commission no mo boss pa ba ye anka da se NDC nti na mo yesa mo ka se we amoyi problem ni mo ahwe ansolve a Supreme Court cry be ko ni akọ edinkunu bebre ho sa no mai ho but omode no o hwe sese statement a yeru ofoso Ampofo sese ewu asiru nkati atata no sese akoya asema yentumi nka o hwe the statement na oka ye be fa we will use every lawful means to resist this latest efforts. Any council. Every lawful means, any council. because mmara baby a mebeka ho asema ebe ene kwan so ba ka say mo yes I be some but mo bo MPP a na mo ya de afra eno so de ebe akoka bi e ka bi o say bu kasama yisi me e bia makwa bia no ko fa yisi ba bi say en kasama yisi omo ko form kasama omo mo fred director of elections Dr. Sriboku on kasama omo ye de de ye beka asembe na o say aka 78 acha ya be elections be 3 and 4 kra I decided say ebasi to aba ne ka say mfa ya trading obi amfa ahyeso bibi mra say card e chese nipa na otsino onoa e bi oti fia wadi ne kaka ho a obetu atwo ne din wo sa particular yi ho na ya kwaji tu say ebasi onkura hwe no ni hwe ya ene yema obi enyina mu nka se nipa a o kan minim no no se ono so ya tro ni din edu stage bi no na ya parties ya made ya basa because anka a simple matter say be wo oni ebusiafo bi tifie na basa wo ID card no ni bi na e kwotro edin na wo wetu abegida mu say me fill form yi a guarantee say nipa yi minimum no medin ho adanse na ampa se fata se be tro ni din e se na dwi me e fine infie no aso 18 years menen na tintim sa ha no te ene kanka ni na nanso edu stage bi no minyi obi amfim ebidum be ya contractors odi line mu okwa atwo ni di man card no gina ho ozo me guarantee ama we e be create problem e mu bi ni yakasa wo say guarantor system we say ya mana yet say bibi oni ni para be ya so be ya
because ana mraneka so you be man di agine mu ma
so I register kwa di otu gine na akoso sa e wura fa jankwa no ya hu complete stage bia say do stage bi o mfa duplication omo strong room omo dey to screen so omo dey ahwe say omo register ma ampase over uzura wa static cam was wa ahwe kola you see register omo ye omo di film enye check court akasa ho sa obehwe no na obi na akogina maka say waso
idi adanse
edu stage bi no party for ya kwa e trenu omo kra so obi ba no nkra card na obi so guarantee amana mon challenge den ko pie adjudication no o matches am passe wadi fia wadi ni a ho policeman ho traditional yi ho party reps ho onya education officer ko no pie am passe or you qualified to be registered. So where the confusions are, me ni nua NDC ni our parliament, me ni core program or one station, me money di me more station. O ka chem say, I didn't there problem. Na baby wo ho a, who could do na ka say wo challenge kra. Wa hwia be show no. Ndi wa mu say ade dey just no edin. I don't know akoso na easy for say. Say Ghana card aba na tintim a Imrano baby say yenye continuous registration. The BID no council parties no modalities no ya na ehunu this time there you person continuous registration. Na continuous registration no udi 18 years ukra Ghana card no akọ ni register. So uni Ghana card ni bia. Ye bia kopim bia last 3 months of 2024. This time there. Any NI for command no money ni bibia no that time there no bia waso bia so twu ni din bia no nya card akotwu NI for na aka se wo mo ye ti o se say do ipa be 500,000 ya card am wo mo magi tie nyina ya ma hu dawru na go bia nkoje card wa register fine register ya onya sa card in for register na say sabi ye po yampo bia abekọ bia. Yes, chire say wo my here. Okay, you got a card. Say a banco, say a hue. You be true, Dina, easy say. More parties, no. You say, my archer. You see, and in a bad boy, man, no man, very easy. I'm about parliament. I'm the long memo by. At the minis. Yeah, IPAC. We can't hold by parliament. Maybe share of the legislation committee. Namity movie. First thing is that when I'm saying register for fraud, I'm saying can't say register for fraud. Yes, Sam. And who said man actually the more I can say about spending $80 million. They register for fraud. You can't say register for fraud. Register it to about 2020. COVID breastwa. They bring me say into me, you know. So I register now you use. Into me know why to about you register your ID card there. You can't. But do so. That was here true, dear. For Ghana card, Bako district, near true. A hokrano, stone, Mrania Juma, into party need to walk, no cast away no mempene, no crack card, and so we need to. He has every right to object. Now go through all the process. Like I say, Ampa, Bejo card, Bejo voter ID card, who soon, and answer card now, you can't say, train me near some year. That's where I into me farmer.
Kasimbi any hosa.
Kasimbi any hosa. And now make me feel say, yeah, party for you. And can you can say, yeah, chair Adjei say sana isika, a quite best when you befa, a man no ma kui. The quite say, young precra, move for some cover, and you more yama MPP for, in the basic. Oh, dear, and no son, yeah, my chance, seminum, yeah, manaye, some dinding kakra. And can send me anyhow.
Okay. Mr. Abaso, but minim said you was all can be and I'm not quite sure.
Oh, Cassani all canny. Cassane tear. And no cross through do a drimbonibian tetri. Na ye pesegan and puntua. Anka problem with him. Sabi, Minia dear, I'm say. Manya semina ina ya chakakra 1992 na me Kodio observer 92 me Kodio observer 96 after 92 elections na woka IPAC history niema IPAC buy ina ne say parties na o man twom ho se my MPP cultural stolen verdict ena aferidan ne nkrofo se sadia sesi no yenkwa ye nya biom the party for Baba Kawana, Biba, any party for Nusun, and say they are Quabonte. So that is the Adrian teacher the IPAC. 1994, and a year new starting new registration process new way. Nami registration officer, Nami electoral commission age, Nami registration officer Nima Gota. And then 2000. Oh no. So you see, say starting with the cheat 1992, you're the cheat in the Tuaba. We parties
without
any
without photo.
Without photo the cheat in the corner
without photo
and then 94 you did
black and
white by and 2000
transparent ballot box.
You see all electoral commission parties may have been part of IPAC from 2002. And I may be a deputy general secretary, and I may call IPAC. All these decisions were all taken together. Tell me all can even sometimes Krasimbi ba electoral committee in the party for no. Monko drain on a monfamra.
Again, that's it.
Niasi say nani say.
Omumba IPAC. That's IPAC.
Oh, since Mami Jimensa, na Mami Jimensa, I didn't hear Macra didn't worry Hoga Grand say. Yenene ye Juma as IEA coordinator. Me kahon and ye call Akusumboko ye this kind of drafting, send the electoral commission win. I was part of it. I've been part of all these processes. Dina Mami Jimensa and Koko electoral commission. Ya been senka. Niema ka fanka niema no keka ne ye no dwene ho no nkode no ko na mi bai se no abegya tomo a hwe emra ene ye gina so ye bibia o emra. Electoral commission electoral commission because of emra. Unimra. Into ontimi monitor mu nka so no obey ne ope. Ontimi. Eya dream party said dem kra na ene emra no ebo abura entimi nya adwuma. Ye ba yi since ye coin no ne abani say unso church mo ka bibi say first no ye ka say political party we bia for ba kobra na ye say okay mo makina mumum ne bia mu yi ba konka ho this time ye kwa bibia ye say ye ntoaba
amukobi
tiemi oh before ye be free ho ne ma ye free ho na me gire we ye kwa parties say be omuni office kra ebi kura ni 10 office was Ghana. Ebi kura mpono aye dead and gone ni a revival. In the 24 parties eba na the NDC me vote bako, UGM me vote bako. There were 137 people in parliament. One more 138 people in parliament.
37 plus 1.
Apart from that, nothing will be new or electoral committee. No political party only even 5%. No political party apart from the two major parties. Near IPAC near Kwako. Yes, who more marking in a Mobian to Ababako.
One crumb do
Obian to Ababako. And he made dear Bakwa na ebia PPP omsomo dear Bako. So how do you expect say you be to take any meaningful decision?
Sa nkomo we no. Nye na ashas you. Say political parties na M1 number in court. Representation, they've always had representation.
Yes, but they come together and select one. So for example,
if what 24 they want me for one. 24 political
parties now. How many parliamentarians now?
But a political
how
party.
Many parliamentarians now?
Mini ni se mo
ye kwa kotoba ye kwa ko ye we election.
Mini ni se mo hihye wa IPAC. Mo ka say Adjei political parties with representation in parliament.
Very good. What are some papa baba? Aye tamana jimen say connect wa aye. Ni o general secretary program bi. We did it for only political parties with representation.
But that's different.
No, I'm coming. I just want you to understand say into wo Ghana any US moko UN mo bobre pe wa Ghana Togo any Russia omko UN mo bobre pe we are then there are people who are stakeholders with larger interests. MPP NDC ye name said they are the larger interest people major stakeholders bibi ba ya mekayen. In fact, for the unforeseeable future, no, me who say political party be betting even 10 officers in parliament. Nearby, we see in entrance. You can say some way, say Debbie, and yes, I am why. Yan send enough for a Jan or Yanino. Yan send a Charlotte or say no. Yan say be take a decision. Be political parties now in our boom, no in our boom, 2%.
To win you one.
Near ye kitabia 45%. When we took kitabia 46%. Yen for 2 na mum from one number so. Near day, near Musidebi. You could try my day. Because to be assembly at Boko be a babu. Assembly at Boko be a babu. Assem Papa Yedi Conan say. How can Uba say? Constitution say. Nipabiano. So I will say register one. I will say we are Ghanaian. 2, I will say we are 18 years and above. And I'm a 3, and say be any problem. You know what must say?
Sound mind.
Now, Jane Waba said there be send Adiana no the Ghana card on Kwane Bay. And I see there be Ghana card no. Oka so the Ghana card on Kwaya. And I yankasa ba out to say over 2 million people are on your issue of Mukadama. And this time within this short time, so only me issues those cars. And you use the guarantor system, which is recognized across the world.
But my name challenge though. This is a continuous registration.
It doesn't matter.
And there's no limitation.
No, but you see, even though it's continuous registration, there are times that you open it up and take it to the doorsteps of the people. For example, one of the things that Yitia. Nese o pese o ye no o district offices. In the enfan so obi wo kade office. Na obi ti subi ana ana oti assume so baba register so fa ka fi assume e ba kedans wa register
anodi
masa asema ye kanu asema ye very practical and the electoral commission here can say one young year kura untimi nya kura and the fako electoral areas
spread it
to the electoral areas and access to the people who be share ekrefita na ekrefita ni ekrefita akweti o obi fi ekrefita ba be si akweti aba register no and obeje dey indeed what we are indeed and asamba ko for example you can accessibility to the polling stations. You can the issue of Ghana card. You see, and just so because against the constitution.
But at what point now, the previous administration, a suggestion, I think it became a law or it was something we were waiting for.
Now I'm coming to
Ghana card.
No, I'm coming. It's not. There's no law. There's no law like that. There's no law like that. There's no law. The law states say a person may use as his identification till a gun, a card issued till issued by the electoral National Identification Office. Yankase, you must use it. The BSA, you may use it. You No.
Okay.
And this you may use it, and it can be one of the identification process. In the end, suggestion is I think the moment you use it because up to now, no, NIA cast no, I feel the gusu ayo. I think the moment you use it alongside the guarantor system until the time we are all satisfied. Say Ghana in India the enya ne card, musi debi. Mo krampo no sometimes grano mo old cards krampo mo use grano musi munya de. In the end, we will be at Tuaba 1992 and not Tuaba 1994. No, get the old card. But new register when you register, no register. Who's wow card no crowd with you no the bound you. Wow, dear, now is you know. What's on bed? In just some day, you can yanka say, Yenny electoral commission will have a problem. Yes, the woman must do the right thing.
If you don't go to meetings,
you go to meeting, 24 people against 23 against one. Oh my God! I tell you,
you try to bra over to other. You
Minority leader, your press conference.
Well, lots of text messages. From experienced men to walk us through a electoral commission IPAC and some of these CIs and allies. I feel quite a room with Yankasa. Baba, it's quite a lot of
7 minutes.
A consultant for
electoral commissions from BCI.
Yeah.
And I'm saying this on authority. NDC was asked to bring a rep. Team U. We nominated Alhaji Huduyaya. He's alive. Alhaji Huduyaya nominating no. Oho and unya invitation say obeba IPAC obeba committee no for us to look at this CI no. According to him, about 2-3 days no another call say they have postponed the meeting and that after they will communicate the new date to him. New date now my who in the CI. That is why I'm telling you, say, what has been Ampofo-Adjei in near Charlotte or say was to ensure say every political party, especially the two major ones, who's the first not CPP, or representative. At the point, not PNC or representative, and a CPP was representative. The time I know IE in the ground, that these were the 4 political parties. So when you lose your money in parliament. And these smaller parties continues to lose their base. I'm not saying they are not political parties, but I'm saying that they cannot have the same stake as NDC and MPP.
Okay.
So what we are telling the Electoral Commission say, until the Electoral Commission be who say, because and let me make this difference clear. We boycotted IPAC meeting. We didn't boycott the Electoral Commission. In the Electoral Commission programs, organizing way outside this, we attend. In the IPAC ne boycott, boycott Electoral Commission.
When you say
there's a difference between boycotting a meeting ubekona onkwa wakotum betomu ubekona ni 24
the Electoral Commission can say juma de moko platform na ye interparty
and no ye platform sabi according to us no yentimi nye meaningful decision bia
by Electoral Commission engagement
by Electoral Commission engagement and everything we have been doing. Let me land on this one important matter. Ghana card. In the Ghana card, there is a guarantee system. So, what call Ghana card? Guarantee system. Into corner say be a wuni be a bit much. Wuni pay bit mako jina hono watch. So, five zebra nipa minue a minipa medicine. I didn't think a Ghana card now see a be use one. I know the bit may use guarantee system. Near about what the guarantee system. Meanwhile, Electoral Commission and I say already know about 2 million backlog. No, and you don't beat me. Within the time. I'm talking about within the time. And I'm specific. I mean, I only say I choose my words well. Almost within that specific time. And then say who in the Electoral Commission is urging them to speed up.
Yeah.
And they may say it is not possible to say the new voters now on mobile register. Because you insist to be on Ghana card nemra, you will disenfranchise some people. For now, let's allow the guarantee system. Let's use other means. Now you make sure to constitution, which is embrapom. A man who wants to register, register. But why not is that? That's why we used to wow law, because by when you insist that obey you see Ghana card, you are breaking the law. You are against the constitution.
So Baba Kaime, mo time no, mrawe no, nana mo shishe.
Yes.
Mandatory use of national identity card. 7.1 or say a national identity card issued to an individual shall be used for the following transactions where identification is required. A, application for an issuance of a passport. B, application for an issuance of a driver's license. 3, application for an issuance of the opening of individual or personal bank accounts. Purchase of insurance policies. Purchase, transfer, and almost everything.
Go to the first paragraph. The operative word is there.
Sure.
In every law, there's operative word. No, read it. Let me tell you.
A national identity card issued to an individual.
Let's educate the people. No, hold on. Issued.
Yeah.
So until it is issued, it cannot be.
But who has stopped somebody from not receiving that card?
The system.
Yeah, the system is that once you are issued,
then that becomes the basis for your identification.
But there's an ongoing process of issuance.
Don't rush. Don't rush. The operative word there is issued. So until you are issued with the card, that does not become a requirement for your identification.
Until the issuance.
Until the issuance. So that's the operative word. Issued by, and unfortunately, the issuing authority. It is not your fault that the issue authority is saying, only me and issue ni now within this time. I offer. And this okay say, me no me person me but me ko wade bia among for we call elwa ko among for gugu omo try some be no muntimi ya wo say no ntise me ko register Electoral Commission o ma me register. Is that right? So look at the operative word of the law. Until you are issued with the card. No? And you say what the Electoral Commission should be doing is to collaborate with the NIA.
But that's the exact collaboration that is ongoing.
So until that is done, it's a prerequisite. Until anunube sieno, untimi nkase, yen issue yenti, mi papa will be registered.
Obiankasa.
But that is what he's saying.
So no, in fairness,
the moment will be back say, may you the moment will be back say, me may you Ghana card because one can say O ma ko say electoral committee say there's some problems o won't you o be use Ghana card kwa. You know what I'm
Ku share we.
Never come wife.
Ah, ya de ko ya.
I can say until it's issued. Oh, when we do law, no. Now this one also be at the declare until the card is issued. If as a result of a nyame fault, na say ye ma me card no bia. Obi kura mpo wa ye yes on bra 1 month to 2 months and no regular obi ba me office. Or see or no and then
repeat you.
Na mon ko table na won electoral commission go din komo through the platform mon ko table
we are
Wajao ka.
e di fasi ada mon table no quick mon table no
there's no me catch your plane say we table now person control the table is cute.
Okay, all
simple table is favorable.
Pacho oman obeka say 92 ya to abawie presidential NNPP say abana ankoyi electoral commission no ma be biri ndi ekoye stolen verdict ndi e boycott to parliamentary election parties are no so many NDC were one side our money NDC were alliance and no mutiti omumu so mo stand no mo parliament eagle ne omo akaka ho omo yina no no mo ni NDC were alliance ya boycott no mutiti omo ko ndi ene NDC etra ka se dey no mo
mo alliance amoya back
for a particular
you are using the word alliance.
No, but clearly it's in support.
Yes.
At that particular moment,
at that point, separate. Ude Mr. Okasa Makasa. Ude
hey,
about the nose bibia. And then who can say parties be back IPAC na mo mpa omo ho. That man DPP ni eagle ni sango for no buy pack.
Na mo pay.
I make makasi empa mo.
Mo so ma ho ode clearly that is to say in fact o ma ho ode.
Na interrupt you say that my ye. Uncle court what we sabi. Aja be obi ya dia o problem. Eh? We dey objection. Ejibese parties ye na azam sikasi atra pack. You vote to a order. Me, if you am got a pack. And guys say, I vote in years 25, no year 3. You vote to a order. More pack more back. The power car, you are very important, mamma. And on opportunity.
I've been there.
Tamana, a founder leader, or buy pack, or buy no. Yama can be an also your friend. Yama can be a president. I say, Mumma, it's more manobico can also of Waswa. I don't know when you have said, go, only see to a parliament in Moncasa, and I'm on Chenaji. Now, no quarrel woman was some more come over here. April 2021, NSC Educator lead press conference. Say, I pack there. Muzio Bill, I didn't hear. When in election, of course, senior easy handle election. That was your main reason. Google.
No.
Google is there.
Some of the reasons.
That was
Google. No. But time also. No. Now, reservation.
April 2021.
Your reservation has nothing to do with this. No.
I pack boycott is different.
Emma, who can say? No. You know, sir. You know, sir.
Electoral Commission Assembly account.
You know, Emma, NDC can say they will review their working relationship with EC at the appropriate time. Review no matter. And then they have a pack meeting. Notice, or Mama be a car baby, Bisa. So the Mama NDC notice. Oh, see, you have evidence. You're from some almost ma. Evidence, you almost ma. One, I must say, until somebody remove position, they must see iPad. And they acquire a contrast in the Akayasam. And no crampo. Adom, Parliament, Social Legislation Committee. I was a chairman for a whole term. I made the procedure by say, who belay CIA. Yenshia committee no na committee no mbobo na committee no no na nyine ntwa to adwe is part of stakeholder consultation na ewia watimi ale it got to speakers were not even in favor of this pre-laying because we believe legislative instrument and constitutional instrument believe na and go to 21 sitting days. We believe we are very far about committee. The report beba. They did 21 sitting days. 2 tests and yan tuma and yamra. 2 tests and to stop on na bayamra. When EC came, they brought minutes of meetings. I discussed how they way. That's the reasons by. Now, maybe I not me start here. Now me to NDC about 4. Or by basis no say. Why about basis? Because okay location. I agree with you on location. Say, everyone say, people south. Now, the state office, EC the state office, I will bria. And just as will be up our crop because you know, man, he didn't so bad. It's the idea of it easy for transit. Like I said, continuous registration in Grano, you pay more than 1 center. Simple. Now, convenient. Simple.
Very convenient.
I don't know.
You raise a very critical point.
And don't get the impression, say, maybe I'm getting impression, say, a Ghana card, no. And before going to crack Ghana card, and it's for the money be. Don't create that impression. Say, you can't say, Ghana card, after to be after to one side.
But is the electoral commission do away with the register?
No.
No, the
press conference said they are doing away with the register.
Yeah, but that's dangerous.
That's dangerous. How do you interpret the law?
No, Baba, that is very dangerous. When you push out, because right now, your general secretary, Mr. Esierunketia alluded to the fact that he suspected the commission wanted to change the law by doing away with the 2020 register by their history and cited the use of the national health insurance card to support his claim since they had been there before.
This is
and that is serious.
Chairman of the legislation committee.
No, one part what saying. No,
Chairman. Yeah. Former Deputy Attorney General. Sasa we buy no. O can say mogu. Or challenge this for say, how do you interpret the law this way? You can't interpret the law this way because you were clause repealing a year. Say you did bravo for a bar. Yeah, they are ashamed say bravo for a day by. A better take effect. Yeah, that I know. You pass away. I'm my dad and nephew. In doing that, you save some clauses. Interpretation. I'm saying,
so that's my worry. We have a duty to speak to the matters truthfully.
Can you imagine?
Because suggestions are fantastic. So what I said that we can look at proximity.
Yes.
It makes a lot of sense. But if we misrepresent the situation, now you cheat out for no. A certain feelings, obi person will be a bukata, and like the stakes near high, no. But this conversation, the stakes cannot be high.
So,
and I got a card.
Ghana card, no so crown. And NDC for Nipa or them are the brainy card. You don't know the affiliation.
You don't know the affiliation. So SCPP didn't know the Ghana card. I don't drink as
a. Intrahan Kaze, because I mean, because the electoral commission be new register. I've not said so. This please.
The chairman himself.
I am saying that the chairman's press conference never said that there was going to be.
No. On the Kosi
me pacho. We are different from Kosi say. Kosi say who be a fire. How do we know that? 2. Me son kan baby I say NPP phone kwa nekuta Ghana card. Me Ghana card wa. Everybody me family na obi on the Ghana card. I purposely took them to the center and did it. So and to me I have no problem with those things. But we speak as a political partner. You have the interest of everybody at heart. We have been encouraging. We have been encouraging. How can you say
but more resisting?
Yeah, resisting because you see, Bravo.
Bonjour, it was careful.
We are careful.
Yes, we are friends. When Ghana card, but one year careful.
We have to understand that when you bring a proposal, yes, Ubayana, line hookers, person can ya me. I was here. Yeah, mami can do.
We have what can
before. Yeah, no more delay.
I said we are careful. When you back on the all the time. Yes.
Because only dangerous. Ghana. Bravo, you know, from Kwame Nkrumah. One attitude Ghana business. One attitude Ghana. Into when one more delay.
Be careful.
You have to
But you see, what is very important?
90 years.
On a more serious note, what is very important, the person as a electoral commission. IPAC as it stands now, Yen as a political party, we don't see it favorable for us to attend the meeting. For now.
Until when?
For now.
Until those
for now.
changes are effective.
Until those
political
things
parties
that we are taking.
yeah.
Say, can we see go to IPAC that? Master, me the last IPAC I call you. Me na me boycott. It's on record. Because when we went, you know, tell me, when we went,
oh, delegation by no, nebi kasi, be dizzy, be
kasa group, bidding count, me, any group, oh, nabuto, bidding count, I am graphics, and a Matthew also, yeah, 3 years. So at my say, you call you know, and almost same be by that time it was on the of course in the party matters in the what we are saying is the IPAC assistance now say yen you transfer na electoral commission beka so NDC obia beka say 10 minutes tio obia beka say 10 minutes NDC can 10 minutes NDC can 10 minutes I said time I boycott into mo ye mo niam ho eno de minim me kata me na me ko Obi akasa 10 minutes and this akasa 10 minutes and people akasa 10 minutes. PPP, UGM, you can call and then Obi akasa 10 minutes. But who call you and Krana? There are differences. You need to recognize one more major stakeholders. And this Opa now Oba be decide you decide oh when Ebia MPP you be 20 minutes. And this, 20 minutes. Mama horn the near day is all. Mama can be a mom 5 minutes. So what must say? Oh, Ukasi next speak to. Why are you pretending as if I've never been to IPAC?
No, that's okay. 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Are you saying say you call IPAC? We don't allow people to speak.
You allow people to speak. We don't tell anybody.
No, I know.
Every time
I am telling you, say.
We don't tell anybody.
Very well. But we don't tell me cast a time. But when we go, we all agree. Sometimes, for purpose of time, management of time. Everybody should speak maybe for 5 minutes, whatever. Yes, yeah, man, but you can't. But you agree with me that for meeting management purpose, when you go to meeting, we don't want allow one person to speak forever. And this year, you call kasa.
Of course, but
now. Yama ebia Christian bibi no ma peja omusa ne omuso ma kasasa no mo baba ina omo kotia e endi kwa
right no
mama kan play IPAC as it stands now is not a favorable platform for us as a major political party.
So lay your conditions so that we can appeal to electoral commission.
Our condition is very we don't have a condition. We are asking for fair play. We are asking for equity.
Now,
IPAC. We are asking IPAC say enough for the Obama political parties I take a decision.
No, we have a
two name a year. No, and yeah, now I then we have a progress. We are asking to say see I am Kokoye Bay. See I am Kokoye Bay. Muna Mwabia. A better than this account say Munga Samo de Ghana card on Kokoye. But because you didn't invite our representative, even though you gave us opportunity, let's see who Yaya is alive. Mum friend na mum bisa say your friends on meeting no e chire one friend bi man.
I see.
So that is the thing. It is clear, sir.
I don't
you are not prepared. Yes.
Or the allegation.
No, but we don't support you.
I don't speak for you. The allegation, but when you say I'm
no, in our press conference. In our press conference. This was me patch me see in this